Hi everyone. So today I'm going to show you a new artist model. So with like printing effect and serialization effect. That's a combination. So I'm going to share my screen first and what I intend to show. So have a look at the one. So now as you can see this image, then this is what I want to show you. So let's get started. So share my screen, Photoshop. Okay, so just open your file. The first you need to take photos. So I'm gonna check this one and just open it. So now the first just unlock, and then just quite easily you can make it's a good effect. Just normally you shouldn't use like a filter gallery, but on this occasion I'm gonna choose one of them. Just rectangulation. Oops, so I'm gonna go back to the color. So I'm gonna hit the color to change its color. So just crop that one and just black first. It's okay. Then just go back filter gallery. And you're gonna choose like a sketch and reticulation. Just click that one. It's just too much closing up. Now we can see it's like texture. It looks like, you know, newspaper picture. And they just play with like a density. You're not gonna go high number, just around 25. And the foreground level, just play with that. And if you increase the number, it's gonna be really dark key, and like a dark area, it's gonna be really unclear. And just play around with, but even though just decide reasonable numbers, just 20. And the background level, just play with it. And if you're happy with that, just okay. Okay, now you got image, and click layer, then click plus from the top, from the bottom, and then just empty layer, and just grab polygon tool, the one, and then I'm gonna make the way really efficient. Then just click add one, and it's based on the shape of a building. I'm gonna choose. I'm gonna select like this. So roof. It's gonna be like floating roof shape. And also I'm gonna choose the window. Yep, and add a roof. Probably here. Then probably so balancing the wall. Yeah, now time to change the color. So just clicking here, and I'm gonna choose bright red here, and click OK. And use a backup tool here, just backup tool, and just back it, and then make color and the older in the one time. Then it's too clear. I'm gonna change the opacity here, and just play with that one, and probably around 50 or 60, like this. And if you're happy with, just give it a go and leave it select and deselect all. And now you got the based picture. So as you can see, just stop sharing. Now you have made the kind of picture, and go back to my Photoshop. Yes, if you're happy with, just flatten image and copy and paste it first on your board. But I'm gonna do some kind of stuff here. Just click layer 1 and just empirical tool and select the here and probably here. Then from half circle to the bottom and curves and different bit of mine says serialization effect. And I'm gonna choose serialization effect to put anchor in the middle, like center point, and then grab this one towards the app. And that's gonna be a really good effect. A layer. I just bring it down, just effect underneath the layer. And now as you can see a serialization effect, serialize effect, and they put the anchor either side of the center point, and then make is too dark, and it's kind of like, you know, strong V shape. It looks nice, doesn't it? Yeah. So if you don't want to serialization effect, just click an invisible. And if you're happy with putting this effect on the image, just give it a go. Okay, let's get started. It's your turn. Okay, bye.